I'll put a card in my face out and it's done. Come on.
That one's Satan, that one's God.
I'm gonna pull the last of the memory card onto this one video. I got those two right now. That's what I got on right now.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. Good picture.
Just knotted up like that.
Yeah.
When I put this into my movie program, I'll be able to zoom and all that too. Hopefully I can get that knot work there.
Oh man, that's beautiful.
It appears a lot slower in the video.
Yeah.
I'm looking at this going, it's not moving that slow, I'm looking at it. It's moving quicker than that. That 45 seconds of recording and then I fill up the memory card. I dumped it before I came down. This entire video card put on this. Actually, I was just sitting over there deleting pictures I didn't want so I could do a video. 22 seconds.
We're coming out with a video camera tomorrow. We'll get to see this so often.
14 seconds left.
Without hiking.
Yeah, without hiking, that's the catch. You just walk right here, drive into it if you weren't paying attention.
Shoots, I know.